Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable PIP mode in YouTube on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open Safari, and here you have to search for YouTube PIP shortcut. Here you can see guys, so you have to search for this and then tap on first link, and after that you can see here get shortcut. Just simply tap on this again. Now your shortcut has been created, so you have to wait for a while. Now you have to tap on add shortcut and then tap on my shortcut, and you can see here your shortcut has been created. It's done now. Then go back from here and you have to open App Store, and from here you have to download this type of app. Its name is Scriptable. So you can see here this type of app you have to download and just open it. And if the permission is not allowed, then you have to allow permission. So I have already allowed the permission to this one. So after that what you need to do is just simply open YouTube, and you can watch your favorite videos from here. Now I'm going to watch this one. So after that what you need to do is just simply tap on share and then scroll right side, and here you can see more options. Just simply tap on this, and after that you can see here YouTube PIP. Just simply tap on this and you have to allow from here. Now I'm going to allow once. So you have to wait for a while, and you can see here guys, here is your video. Then go back from here. Now you can manage your video from here. You can see guys, and now you can play games or do another thing on your iPhone, and your video still be playing on your iPhone or iPad iOS 16. Here you can see guys, here is your video. You can minimize your video. Here you can see guys, you can see guys, here you can see guys, your video still be playing. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.